Okay, what's the color? Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Get color? What? Tananin nyo na dali ha, kay may expire na na ugma. Do you want more? Okay, more. Color? Okay, what? Let's make a knot first. That's one. Let's make another one. That's two. That's one. That's two. Okay, let's make the third knot. Good there. Okay, clap your hands. Okay, now you blow this one low. Okay, how about here? You blow. Okay, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, you can touch. Touch lang, dili tukon. Right. Touch lang. Okay. You want more? Okay, who's this red? Who likes red first? Who likes red? Okay, everybody shout red. Count 1, 2, 3. 1. And here's the red bird. Okay, how about bluebird? Who likes bluebird? Okay, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, kita ganaan ako ng ihatag. Count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, clap your hands. Do you want more? Okay, there's more. Baligya to siya. Are you ready? It's here. One more. Okay. Okay, who likes to try? Who likes to try? Okay, you open your mouth. Dali. It's here. Okay, you watch. Hi. It's here. Okay. Dali ake, malubat meron. Okay? How about you? Stand up over here. Open your mouth. Talikod. Dito ito ba? It's here. Okay. Do you want more? Okay, next magic, this one. I call this one a teleportation ba? Yes. Yes, kung unsa isod ako diri mawagtang. Kinsa ka na musud? Okay. Okay, there's someone inside. Watch. I know kaila mo niya. Watch. There. What's his name? JJ, very good from Cocomelon. Ano watuwag tangon si JJ? Are you ready? Okay, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and now JJ is gone. Okay, clap your hands. Huh? Are you sure? Asa si JJ? Sa red side or blue side? Are you sure? Okay, let's check the blue side. It's not there. You said blue. It's not on the left side. Blue, wala side. Okay, it's gone. Clap your hands. Huh? Okay, open the two doors. Mga mga bata. Open the two doors. That's one. And that's two. Okay, clap your... Found it! Okay, again, it's not in the red side and it's not in the blue side. Okay, clap your hands. Now one. idungan. Demanding ba ta? Okay. Okay, again, say the magic word. Okay, count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, nawag ta na, JJ. Do you want more?